Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. We are doing the 12 by 12 challenge. Basically what the 12 by 12 is, 12 overnighters, one overnighter per month. Now we are January. We are doing the first overnighter. We are heading to a spot. We kind of got sidetracked on one of the trails. You okay? We're pulling the sleigh. We got gear in there. We got gear in our bags. It is winter. Yeah. Let's get this show started.
He's not even waiting after his wife. What are you doing there?
What track says.
I think like a little mouse under the snow?
It's not under, it's over, and it would be chipmunk.
Oh, okay.
So you could tell the routes that they're taking for gathering food. Over here, there's conifers.
And you can see the lake too at the back, so if the water is not frozen,
So
it's probably away.
they're probably gathering up food and the pine cones and stuff.
Okay.
And using it as food, and they probably just travel along. As you see all along there, up there's more tracks up there.
Okay.
So food source for both.
So the guy at the center told us that this was flat because it goes along the lake. The first part wasn't flat at all, but here, like, it really goes along the lake. And this is Lac Philippe. What's the track on the lake there?
Where?
Right there. So what are we looking at, Professor?
Well, one, it's not a wild edible, but
It's a wild something.
it is a wild something. This here, it's like, I forget what it's called. I'll put the link down below, but it's basically nature's sandpaper.
Oh, the horse, whatever?
Yeah. So,
Like, I don't know at all the name. I just remember it's horse something.
yeah. And,
Horse tail?
yes. So, basically, this time of year is great to pick because it has natural silica in there.
Yeah.
So it acts as a sandpaper. Has
You can see the two little wire part there, and it's line in the middle. So that's
Yeah.
what you're talking about.
yeah. So it acts as a natural sandpaper. So basically, you don't need that much, right? To pick. So
So what are we doing with that?
this is basically sandpaper. So when you make your primitive arrows, you can use this to sand it down as opposed to sandpaper. Yeah, so
Okay.
basically it's nature sand. Good job.
Yeah?
Yeah. There it is.
Are you feeling?
A little cold.
Yeah.
We didn't film too much because when we came in,
it was raining, so we just basically put the tent up and stuck in the tent, and then now it's snowing.
As everybody can see.
As everybody can see, Billy got routed Jill this morning. She made the fire,
Yay!
made the coffee while
Yay!
I caught up on some sleep. And it's going to be a short video. Sorry guys.
We used a little stove for the coffee. And this is where we put the wood. So it's not all wet.
So we basically kind of chatted hi to the other neighbors. But this is our first, I mean it's snowing yet, or smoking yet, but this is our first overnighter for that 12x12 challenge for January. So if you want to figure out what we're going to do for February, stay tuned. And until next time, stay safe now.